welcome to today's video on how to make a delicious keema karahi. From the sizzling sounds of the karahi to the medley of spices that dance harmoniously on your palate, there's an undeniable magic that defines this culinary wonder. Whether you're a seasoned foodie eager to expand your culinary repertoire or a curious soul ready to embark on a gastronomic escapade, keema karahi promises a symphony of flavors that will leave you craving for more. Let's move on to the recipe. Did you know that you can scale the recipes on our website to the number of servings you like? On our website, you can also view this video as well as print out the scaled recipe. This unique feature will help you scale the recipe to your desired servings or hotness. This recipe is for 3 servings. If you have scaled the recipe, then please follow those quantities. Let's move on to the actual recipe now.
In a pan, heat half a cup of oil on medium heat. Add 2 medium finely chopped onions. Stir fry till the onion starts to change color. Add half a teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Stir fry till the mixture turns golden brown. Add half a kg of beef or lamb minced meat. Fry, stirring occasionally till the mince starts to change color and gives out water. Add half a teaspoon of salt.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Pressing the bell icon ensures you are kept up to date on all new videos.
Once the mince starts to turn brown, cover and let cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the cover. Dry the water, stirring occasionally. Once the water dries and the oil separates, add half a cup of yogurt. Stir to mix well. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of chili powder. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of ground dry coriander. Sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of crushed chilies. Sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Stir to mix well. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. Stir fry for about 5 minutes or till the water dries and the oil separates. Add the blended paste of 4 medium tomatoes. Stir fry for about 5 minutes or till the water starts to dry. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of Indian spice mix. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Stir fry for about 5 minutes. Garnish with ginger and green chilies. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaves. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Enjoy with chapati or naan bread.